Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain rushing in Clash of Clans. This strategy is all about rapidly advancing your town hall to unlock higher-level content. Instead of maxing out every building at each town hall level, you prioritize offensive upgrades. This approach lets you access powerful new troops, spells, and siege machines much earlier in the game. It's a distinct playstyle that can be very rewarding for active attackers, focusing on building a strong army. There are several great advantages to adopting a rushing strategy. You get to unlock powerful new troops and spells, like the Electro Dragon or Grand Warden, much earlier. This gives you a strong offensive edge, allowing you to consistently 3-star bases. You also gain access to more resources from higher league bonuses and can donate stronger troops to your clan, becoming a valuable asset to your team. To rush effectively, focus your upgrades on key offensive structures. Always keep your laboratory, spell factory, and army camps at the highest possible level. Choose 1 or 2 reliable attack strategies and upgrade those troops first. Ensure your builder huts are constantly working on your town hall and other offensive buildings. Active farming is crucial to maintain a steady resource flow for these rapid upgrades. While rushing offers many benefits, it does come with challenges. Your defenses will naturally be weaker, making your base more vulnerable to attacks. To mitigate this, always prioritize upgrading your clan castle to hold powerful defensive troops. Joining an active clan is essential for receiving strong reinforcements and support. Remember, your offense is your best defense. Consistent, powerful attacks will keep your resources flowing and your trophies high.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.